Abaphumeleleyo abangama-28 bafumane izatifiketi emva kokugqiba ngempumelelo inkqubo yoqeqesho yesithuba esingangonyaka kwicandelo lezamabonakude. Le nkqubo enikezelwa ngokubambisana phakathi kweLimco kunye neSoweto TV ixhobise ulutsha olungasebenziyo kunye neengcali ezisebenza ngaphandle kweziqinisekiso ezisemthethweni ngezakhono ezisebenzayo zokuqinisa imisebenzi yabo kushishino lokumabonakude. Ezinkampani zithi eli phulo lijolise ekudaleni amathuba kubantu abaselula kunye nokubonisa ukuba imisebenzi yokusasaza iyafikeleleka kuye wonke umntu.
Bathe ncinci kaMjoli abafundi abethweswe imiyezane namuhla bethweswa yiLimco ibambisene neSoweto TV njengoba ke bebone isondela mawala inhlansi yethemba. Omunye wezikhulu zeLimco uthi ke lokhu bakwenzele ukubuyisa ithemba entsheni yentula amathuba omsebenzi eNingizimu Afrika.
In this industry, in terms of film and TV production, it's not easy for young people to access opportunities. When they look at people who are on TV, they think you need to know someone to get there. But with our program that we're offering, in terms of the content that we're offering with the qualification, which is a 12-month program whereby they do theory for the period of 4 months, whereby they cover script writing, script writing, and also taking videos, creating stories and movies. So it does help them in terms of making sure that they get access to opportunities.
Abanye babafundi bethweswe iziqu emkhakheni wezikamabonakude bathi ke sebeyophonsa umbalane kulomkhakha ngalezi icucu abazithole namuhla.
Well, I think this program has helped quite a lot because it has brought about confidence. I mean, I've been here for more than 9 years and I can say this industry is quite a tough one. For you to survive in this industry, you must grow a thick skin. And now, when you don't have any document to support that you belong, it becomes a bit challenging. But now, because today we have attained this recognition of prior learning document, at least one will go back with that confidence. And the only thing that was driving me was passion. But today, there's also profession involved. So it's possible that with your passion, you can get to where you want to get to.
I was sitting at home, bendiyi distance learner, so I was not really doing anything. I was not employed before. I was just a learner, ohleli ekhaya, with nothing to do. Incede kakhulu to a point where I got an internship ndenza video editing, and I'm also a camera controller. So incede kakhulu. I'm not just anybody. I'm not sitting at home. I'm doing something with my life.
Kanti kulomcimbi kukhuthazwe intsha ukuthi ke ingalahli ithemba ngamathuba omsebenzi kubabonakude nakwezokusakaza. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubikwa umqondisi Myeneng se Orlando West.